Hi, we're at day 2 of WestPack. You're on the ProMach booth. Specifically, you're on the ID technology section of the ProMach booth. And we're going to quickly talk today about a solution which is a case taper integrated with either a case labeler or an inkjet printer. The way this was done in the past, before we put this solution together, is the customer would buy a case taper and then separately buy a chunko conveyor and put a case labeler or an inkjet printer on. And what we've done, and it really shows the power of ProMach, is the Balcor team and the ID technology team have got together and integrated a turnkey solution which tapes the case and labels the case. And I'll just quickly run a case here. Brian's going to feed this for me. So we feed through the taper, we apply a label to the front corner, and I'll quickly just show you that. So what we've done is on one side we have inkjet printed, which is one option for the customer, and on the other side we've applied a label to the corner of the case. So that's nice, but the real magic sauce here, if we could just travel up here a bit, is when we need to change case size. Brian, if you could change case size, the operator has to adjust the case taper. In the past, the operator would then have to go down and adjust the guide rails for the inkjet printers or the guide rails for the labelers. But now we have the labeler and the inkjet integrated in. Brian, if you could open that up. So the labeler and the inkjet printer have moved with the taper. So from the operator's perspective, when they adjust the taper, the inkjet and the labeler automatically move. So it's a nice, simple solution. We've removed one of the tasks for the operators, and we have the additional benefit in that the footprint, and manufacturing locations are always short of space, the footprint is much shorter because the two devices have been integrated together. So we've just come down now to the far end of the machine so that you can better see really what is the magic source of this. So we're going to run a large case. Brian, if you could run that large case, and you can see that the label is applied to the front, the inkjet is applied to the side. Now when the operator, Brian in this case, he's adjusting the taper because he has to, and the inkjet heads and the labelers all move automatically, or really for free. The operator doesn't have to get involved in it. Thanks, Brian. And that's what you can get when you're part of ProMach and you can integrate two systems together. Again, thank you.